Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create LoRA in SeaArt AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser and head on over to SeaArt.ai. Now, once we're inside of here, we want to go ahead and log in or create an account on the far right. Now, once we created our account or logged in, we want to go ahead and click on the create button and then go to model. And then we want to go ahead and train. So we want to train a model here. So now on this site, on this page here, we've got two options. We can do an image LoRA training or video LoRA training. So now image is based on top base models like Flux and SDXL, completes high quality fidelity fine tuning in 2 steps. And the video LoRA training is specially designed for WAN 2.1 and Hunyan videos, easily generates professional level AI videos. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and train a LoRA image. So I'm going to click on that one. Now on this page here, we're inside the image training, but we do, if we want to change, we can click on the video if you want. So you can click on the video, but I'm just going to keep it on image for this demonstration. Now inside of here in our parameter settings and image tapping cropping, we want to take our time and really nail this down. So we want to go ahead and find the right model we want to use here. So we can scroll left to right. Down here, we want to give this a task name. We want to choose the base model. We've got the training network module as well. We've got the trigger words. We've got times per image repeat. So we can change this from 1 to 50. I'm just going to keep this at 4. We've got the cycles epoch. So we can change this from 0 to 20. And we've got the model effect preview prompt. So we can go ahead and put the effect preview prompts there. Now to the right, we've got the training data set. And then we've got the regular data set too, where we can add more if you want. So we can upload from URL or your personal work. And also we've got advanced config next to parameters. So we've got a lot of different training parameters we can change. So we can repeat times per image. We've got the data set, sample settings, and there's a lot to do in here. I'm not going to go fully into depth in this quick video because this could take quite some time. So you can change your advanced settings inside of there. And now once you're happy with this, you want to go ahead and click onto train now, and it's going to give you an estimate cost here as well. So the cost is related to the number of images, the number of training times per image, and the number of training cycles. The credit cost for training tasks based on SDXL is 6 times that of ST1.5, so keep that in mind.